What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco. Yeah, man, guys, we're back in the music lab, man. If you see what we got today, we got Lil Durk and J. Cole, All My Life. Yo, let's get it. Yo, that mafia, you're there again. Yo, it's your boy Jambisco. I'm there again with another banger. You see me? This should be no short of a banger from y'all know music. Y'all should know. Yo, these two artists right here that we bought a feature. I'm not sure. J. Cole probably not new to the channel, but I'm pretty sure Lil Durk probably new to the channel. You know what I'm saying? But these are artists that I listen to. You know what I'm saying? But I have features on Chinese Z because mostly dancehall over here. But yeah, man, guys, we got to check out this one. This Lil Durk apparently dropped his new album. You know what I'm saying? And this is one of the tracks off his new album. It's featuring J. Cole, and you know, I've seen snippets on like social media, and from what I heard, I wanted to listen to this song. You know what I'm saying? It just sound like it's gonna bang. I haven't heard the verses or anything. I heard a little part of the hook, but I haven't heard verses from either Durk or J. Cole yet. So we're gonna be the first time. It's both of us, just like all my other reactions. But anyway, yeah, man, I jump right now and see what I'm going. Cause you see me, J. Cole, yo, I've been following J. Cole since mixtape days. You know what I'm saying? I've been saying this nigga was gonna be one of the greatest, just like Drake and Kendrick. You know what I'm saying? Then you got Lil Durk, which is the voice right now. You know what I'm saying? You know, so yeah, man, I've been from Friday Night Lights to what is it? Sidelines, still, bro. Yeah, I've been all the J. Cole freaking mixtapes on album. But anyway, we're gonna jump right in the track right now. Yeah, see me, we're gonna see what is that going on. Hopefully it's a bang. If you're new to the channel, go ahead. Just take your time. This is time to sub up, become part of the littest gang on YouTube, the littest mafia, littest family, littest gang on YouTube. You don't know. Yo, trust me, you wanna join. You got lit content, shorts, all that. You see me? So hit that like and subscribe button. You see me? And tell me what to react to next, and you're gonna get your shout out. I always put up the names on the screen, you know what I'm saying, and the comments. So if you want to see yourself drop a name, drop a comment, drop a flag, everything, just become part of the family, become part of the community, and you know, we lit. But anyway, yeah, we'll check out this song, this Lil Durk and J. Cole, All My Life. Let's get it.
Durk told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast.
You know what the man say? Durk said lately he's been on some positive shit. Lately he's been feeling like pulling up in a body some shit. You know what I'm saying? It's like, vice versa. You don't know, J. Cole always been on that peaceful, you know what I'm saying, positive type shit, you know what I'm saying? But don't get me wrong, yo, remember the man can spit now. Don't forget the J. Cole mixtapes and stuff early in his career. Yo, hey, let's get it.
Hard times don't last. Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it.
Bro, I love that hook, bro. I love that hook. Bro, I'm taking it from the top, bro. Let's get it. I want to hear what this nigga saying. Probably should use my headphones for this, ain't it?
Durk told me he been on some positive shit, yeah. Lately I just wanna show up and body some shit, yeah. Always been a little mathematician. Lately this cash I'm getting got me losing count of these bags. I've been moving too fast. Hard times don't last.
Niggas been losing track of these bags, man. Making a lot of money. Hey, come on, man. He's been moving too fast.
Remember when cops are rats talking out my ass? Boy, you ain't shit but a bitch with a badge. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out.
Ooh, all this time they trying to keep me now. All this time I never thought I'd make it out. Damn, yo.
No, No. All my life. They be trying to keep me down. I decided I had to finish, but the media called me a menace.
Come on. Hold on. Before we get into this verse, guys, what y'all think about this one? Cause yo, I ain't gonna lie, this beat, this hook, this collab right now, yeah, it's hitting.
Said with the million politicians, I'm trying to change the image. You can't blame my past no more, I come from the trenches. Some said I'd never be a superstar, but I know I'm different. I'm the voice, but the system ain't give me a choice. Know some people that still unemployed. I know a felon who trying to get forward. Child support, your only support. For a visit, I'm going through courts.
He's on. Let's get it.
The jail, they was chaining me up. And you know that I'm famous as fuck. See how you gon' joke about stimulus, but they really had came in the clutch. I know some kids
say how you gonna joke about the stimulus, but it came in clutch. That's crazy.
Wanna hurt theyself. Stop trying to take drugs, I refer to myself. Trying to better myself, trying to better my health.
What? Durk stopped taking perks, bro? What? That's what's up. The man say stop taking drugs. He's trying to better himself. Bro, that's a plus. Y'all know. Drake, you're more Drake. Durk is famous for his big for his photos where his eyes are wide open because he be off them drugs, bro. So good. Yeah. Props to him, man. Props to him, bro. Say no to drugs, kids.
But all my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time, never thought I'd make it out. No.
Bruh, this song, I haven't heard a positive, wholesome song like this since what is the song called? Believe I Can Fly. I know I can't. That's what it reminded me of, bro. Nas. I know I can't be what I wanna be. If I work at it, bro, that's what it reminds me of, bro. This a dub. This a dub right here, bro.
No. All my life, they be trying to keep me down. First generation ghetto nigga, cold world, hello niggas. Made it out the city with my head on straight. Niggas keep shooting up to let out. Yo, enjoy the pill, gotta get out. Cause the shit that I spit out is a cheat code, like I'm facing a Rico. And how a nigga put a hit out. And
These are one before, yo. I like how they did a video with all the kids and stuff involved. Yeah, man, real dope trap, but you know, Cole from the bodies, bro. Come on.
Another one, and another one. I got like 100 of them by the lap niggas, so they think they ahead of me, but I'm really in front of them now. Some of them fumbling, they.
I'm about to lap niggas, so they think they're ahead of me, but I'm really in front of them. Come on, man. Cole. Just chill out, bro. You ain't do niggas like that, bro. It's not even your song, bro. It's a Durk song. Chill out.
Bad, fucking up the little crumbs that they had. A reminder to humble yourself. This shit could be gone in an instant. Me, I'm running long distance. All pistons firing. I've been stuck between maybe retiring and feeling like I'm just not hitting my prime. These days.
This man said, I'll be running long distance. He said, everything running all pistons. I've been stuck between retiring and feeling like I ain't hit my prime. Chill out, bro. Jacob, you been doing this shit for damn near 10 years and you don't feel like you hit your prime yet, bro? Mr. Platinum with no features? Huh, buddy? You? Come on, man.
They seen rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard of Lil Buddy till somebody murder Lil Buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching Lil Buddy name. Got her playing his tunes all day in my room. Thinking, damn, this shit wicked to get their names buzzing. Some niggas just gotta go lay in a tomb.
That's for real, bro. Realize these niggas die as soon as they get it, bro. You get a little buzz just to go lay in a tomb, bro. That shit be sad as hell, dog. I didn't pull that out. Can I pull it out, guys?
These days, seen rappers be dying way before they even getting they shine. I never even heard of Lil Buddy till somebody murder Lil Buddy. Now I'm on the phone searching Lil Buddy name. Got her playing his tunes all day in my room. Thinking, damn, this shit wicked.
Man, say, yo, a lot of rappers dying before they get a shine, bro. You know what I mean? Till he got murdered, I ain't even heard of Lil Buddy. He said, I ain't never heard of Lil Buddy till they murder Lil Buddy. Now I'm searching his name, playing his tunes. Like, damn, it's crazy, but a lot more of that shit be more common, dog. Normally, you know, you get that shine, I get being groomed, and then you got dead. You just dying before you bust, dog. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying?
Get their names buzzing, some niggas just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule, if you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple, it's the principle.
For real, real shit. Cause a lot of these media outlets, bro, never give an artist a shine, bro. You know, that they, you know, a lot of these artists, when you are the artist and you make your music, bro, you wanna get your shine so that you talk about so your thing get bigger. As I mean, a lot of media outlets ain't covering artists, which is what an artist needs to get their music out there till they die, bro. Then they want to cover because no, they're profitable. They feel like, oh, I ain't gonna cover you because you ain't gonna bring me views. Now that you're dead, you can bring me. I'm like, nah, bro, no, you shouldn't be profiting off of nobody death that you wasn't promoting. Feel me? Their family or estates should be able to sue their media company if you ain't. You know what I'm saying? Cover them before.
Some niggas just gotta go lay in a tomb. And media thirsty for clicks. I got a new rule. If you ain't ever posted a rapper when he was alive, you can't post about him after he get hit. It's simple, it's the principle. On any tempo, I'm invincible. Don't even rap, I just vent to you. I'd rather that than an interview most days.
Niggas say I don't rap, I just vent to you. I'd rather that than an interview. Most, these days, man say,
Fuck them all like I'm going through a whole phase. Young niggas shoot out the whip like road rage. I pray all of my dogs stay so paid. And the only thing to kill them is old age.
I say shooting out the whip like road rage. You know what I'm saying? The man say, I hope all my dogs stay paid and the only thing that kill them is old age. That's some real ass shit, bro. Yeah, man. That's some real ass shit, bro. This is Durk's song, bro. Behave yourself.
All my life, they be trying to keep me down. All this time.
I ain't gonna lie, this flow that Durk got, this sound right here, bro, this is a classic sound, bro. Any song you making this voice, my G, yeah, this dub. I don't know where you found this flow, this voice, this melody, but yeah.
Never thought I'd make it out. No. All my life, they be trying to keep me down.
Yeah, man. I mean, man. J. Cole. Durk. Yeah, man. I like this collab. Wait, he's on the roof just like J. Cole. Is that homage he paying to J. Cole, bro? We're down the roof shit. I wasn't peeping this whole time, bro. And does that shit have some meaning now? You know what I mean? I hope J. Cole ain't passing the crown off the buddy. You know what I mean? I don't hear no J. Cole dying no time soon shit, bro. You know what I'm saying? I will protest. You don't want to hear none of that right now, no. You know what I mean? Alright. Me just cut and clear that rash right now. But anyway, yeah, man. Thing there on his roof, is this Durk's whole house? I remember J. Cole, when he took the picture on the roof, it was his whole house. So is this Durk's whole house, and they just trying to do a little homage thing, trying to say, yo, go back to the. But anyway, yeah, man, real dope track. I like the visuals, bro. Big up on the cell. Steve Cannon, Durk, Cole, y'all do your thing on that one, man. Guys, one thing about that one. You know what I mean? Let me know one thing. That was some wholesome. That's some wholesome dope. Yeah, I like the track. That was wholesome. It was still dope. It was pretty cool. You know what I mean? I like the video. I like, they collab. They work well with each other. You know what I'm saying? I like how they involve the kids and all that. Very wholesome, positive tune. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself one day. I think this is gonna do numbers, guys. One thing about it one day. You know what I mean? Drop on the comments what your favorite part, lyrics, the video. You know what I'm saying? Melody. Let me know what the favorite part. Go show out some love and support. And let me know what y'all need. Let me know what to react to next, and I'll get it done. You definitely, you're going to get a shout out. I'm going to drop y'all comment. The next time, though, guys, take care of yourself and each other. It's your boy, Jambisco. Love you guys.